A very good morning to all my dear students. I welcoming you all on the online classes. So today we will take a new poem from your English reader book. Poem name is The Lost Doll. So before we go through in the poem, what the poem is all about, first we see the word meaning of it. Okay. So the first word meaning is pretty. What is the meaning of pretty? Something pleasing, attractive, sundar. Curled, rolled or coiled of hair, घुंघरेले बाल. Okay. Heath means wasteland, मैदान. The children are playing in the wasteland. Trodden means put down or pressed with foot or crushed. पैरों से कोई चीज़ जब तोड़ी जाती है is crushed with the foot. Okay. Now see the fifth one. Charmingly means attractively. Okay. Now see the Lost Doll. The Lost Doll, a poem, is written by Charles Kingsley. So what is the poem is all about? Let's see. I once had a sweet little doll, dears, the prettiest doll in the world. Her cheeks were so red and white, dears, and her hair was so charmingly curled. So, the first line, I once had a sweet little doll, dear. This little girl is saying about this doll. Okay. So, मेरे पास एक सुंदर doll थी. The prettiest doll in the world. पूरी दुनिया में सबसे सुंदर doll मेरे पास थी. हर चीक्स वेर सो रेड एंड वाइट डियर. उसके जो चीक्स थे, उसके जो गाल थे वो रेड और वाइट थे. एंड हर हेयर वेर सो चार्मिंगली कर्ल. और उसके हेयर कर्ल थे. ओके. नाउ सी द सेकेंड स्टैंजा. बट आई लॉस्ट माई पुअर लिटिल डॉल डियर्स एज आई प्लेड इन द हीथ वन डे. So what happened to that doll? As I am playing with my doll in the heath one day, I lost my doll. And I cried for her more than a week, dears, but I never could find where she lay. More than week. So I cried. Who is crying? This girl is crying. What the reason? Because she lost her doll. Where she lost her doll? In the heath one day. सो आई क्राइड फॉर हर मोर देन ए वीक टीयर. एक वीक से ज़्यादा मैं उस डॉल के लिए रोई. बट आई नेवर कुड फाइंड वेयर शी ले. मगर मुझे वो डॉल नहीं मिली कि वो कहाँ थी. ओके. नाउ सी द थर्ड स्टैंजा. I found my poor little doll, dears, as I played in the heath one day. So suddenly one day when I am playing in the heath, what I found my poor little doll, dears. मुझे ये डॉल वापस मिल गई. Folks say she is terribly changed, dears. Folks say means everybody is saying that is terribly changed. वो जो पहले दिखती थी वो अब वो वैसी नहीं रही. फॉर हर पेंट इज़ ऑल वॉश्ड अवे. जो भी उसका पेंट था वो सब वॉश हो गया था. ओके. एंड हर आर्म्स ट्रूडन ऑफ बाय द काउज डियर्स एंड हर हेयर नॉट द लीस्ट बिट कर्ल. सो उसके जो आर्म्स थे वो क्या हो गए थे? ट्रूडन बाय द काउज डियर्स. काउ जो थे उन्होंने उस डॉल के ऊपर अपने फुट रख दिए थे. डैट इज़ वाई द आर्म्स ऑफ दिस डॉल इज ट्रोडन. ओके. इज ब्रेक, इज क्रश्ड. एंड हर हेयर नॉट द लीस्ट बिट कर्ल. और उसके जो हेयर थे वो अभी भी उतने कर्ल अब नहीं थे जैसे पहले थे. येट फॉर ओल्ड टाइम सेक शी इज स्टिल डियर्स. सो नाउ दिस ओल्ड टाइम सेक मीन्स कि जैसे पहले मेरी डॉल थी वैसे अब नहीं थी. मगर मैं वॉट आई लव, फॉर वॉट द रीज़न बिहाइंड दैट आई लव माई डॉल, दैट लव इज सेम एज इट इज़ व्हेन आई फाउंड माई डॉल दैट इज़ लॉस्ट. ओके. द प्रीटियस्ट डॉल इन द वर्ल्ड. वो अभी भी मेरे लिए प्यारी सी डॉल थी. ओके. नाउ सी फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग वी विल रीड दिस पोएम अगेन. I once had a sweet little doll, dears, the prettiest doll in the world. Okay. Her cheeks were so red and white, dears, and her hair was so charmingly curled. But I lost my poor little doll, dears, as I played in the heath one day. and I cried for her more than a week tears, but I never could find where she lay. I found my little doll, dears, as I played in the heath one day. Okay, so she suddenly find that doll once again. Then folks say she is terribly changed, dears, for her paint is all washed away, and her arms trodden off by the cow's tears, and her hair not the least bit curled. Yet, for old time's sake, she is still, dears, the prettiest doll in the world. So, hope you will understand this poem. So, what is the poem is all about? The poem is all about a little girl. The girl is saying about her doll, that the doll was the prettiest doll for the little girl. So this doll is very prettiest. In your house also, in your home, so many toys are there. In so many toys, one toy is your favorite toys. Okay, तो वो जो टॉय होता है, जो भी खिलौना है, तो कोई भी चीज़ होती जो आपकी बहुत पसंद थी आपको, when you get that thing, so at that time you love that thing, that toy very much. So the days are going on, और बहुत दिनों के बाद में भी वो टॉयज़ आपको उतना ही प्यारा लगता है जब आप उसे पहली बार देखे थे, चाहे वो कितना भी पुराना हो जाए. सो लाइक दिस गर्ल इज़ हैविंग ए डॉल एंड शी लव्स दिस डॉल वेरी वेरी मच. सो द डॉल वॉज द प्रीटियस्ट डॉल फॉर द लिटिल गर्ल. ओके, द डॉल वॉज प्रीशियस टू हर, मतलब बहुत कीमती थी ये डॉल, इस गर्ल के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा कीमती थी. कीमती मीन्स प्रीशियस मीन्स, सो बिकॉज शी लव दिस डॉल वेरी मच, एंड एवरी टाइम वेर एवर शी इज़ गोइंग शी टेक दिस डॉल विथ हर. One day she lost her doll while playing. So what happened? One day she lost her doll while playing in the heath. Later she found it. Then suddenly, so many days after week, she found the doll once again in the heath. But the doll was actually not pretty to look at. But when she found the doll again, what happened? She not like what the doll it was when this girl is not lost that doll. Okay, so this doll was not pretty to look at, as it changed a lot. So many days is this laying on the ground, and this cows are going, the dust is there, so many things, environment are changing. So he's because of the sun heat and all that, this doll is changed so much, is not looking so beautiful as it was. So yet, as per the little girl's memories in the past, little girl memories in the past means जब लिटिल गर्ल के पास वो डॉल नहीं आई थी तो उस समय she loved his doll very much, and now also when she found the doll once again in the heath, she loves the doll and she liked the doll very much. Okay, so no changes is there in the girl's love of his doll. So as per the little girl's memories in the past, the doll was still prettiest doll in the world. So this doll is the prettiest doll in the world, whatever the reason is there. When she find this doll again, this doll is the prettiest doll in the world. After when the color of the doll is changed, and his hand is crushed, and his this curly hair is not as look so beautiful as it was, but also these girls like this doll very much. So this poem is all about the lost doll, how this girl lost the doll and how she found the doll, and after that what the changes happened to this doll. The girl liked the doll and loved the doll very much. Okay, so I will give the question answer and the PDF of this poem and the lesson number 10 PDF on Saturday itself. Okay, so in between please don't message or call about the PDF please madam send the PDF and all that. Okay, if any doubt is there regarding this poem, so you can message me. Learn this poem in a rhyming way. Okay, first stanza is there, second one is there, third is there, and the fourth is there. So in a rhyming way, in a slowly manner, you have to read the poem. Okay, recite the poem and understand it, whatever the word meaning is there. Okay, so hope you understand the students the poem. If any doubt, message me. Thank you.